What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's tutorial video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can buy Solana in FTX. Now Solana is the world's fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And a lot of people buy it. And just a reminder, Solana is also called SOL. So when I say SOL in the video, remember I'm telling Solana. So don't get confused, alright? Now, for those people who do not know FTX, FTX is the world's fifth largest cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since it's the world's fifth largest crypto exchange, a lot of people use it and it's pretty secure, alright? So if you guys also want to sign up into FTX, I have left a link in the description which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into FTX. Now with that said, let's jump into the video on how you guys can buy Solana on FTX. And yeah, I forgot to say this, but if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's jump into the video. So the first step is you want to go to ftx.com and log in into your account. Then you want to go on versus spot. Once you go on spot, you want to click on versus SOL/USDT, which means you guys are going to use US dollar to buy Solana, alright? Now with that said, you want to scroll a bit down after choosing on it and click on versus buy SOL. By default, it's going to be on buy SOL, but just for security purpose, click on it once again, alright? After you do that, over here where it says amount, enter the amount of Solana you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 1 Solana, then click on versus buy SOL. But in my screen, it's showing me complete identity verification because I have not yet verified my KYC. So it's showing me this, but for all those people who have done their KYC, it's going to show you buy SOL. So don't get worried, alright? So just click on buy SOL and your Solana will be bought. Hope you guys were able to understand on how you guys can buy Solana and FTX. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And with that said, I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.